And hopefully at the end of the game, you have 2个眼睛 here and here, and then it's a perfect situation. You played several games last week. How many areas do you have at the end of the game? Can you have like 5 areas at the end of the game? Most likely no. Most likely one person has 1 area, so 2 colors has 2 areas. And if you make bad decision, there is only 1 color controlled everywhere. The other person survives 0. That's most likely happened for beginners. So when you play the game, you need to realize at the end of the game, most likely you have only 1 area. That means at the beginning of game, if you start like this, blue will be in very, very big trouble. And the possibility for blue to survive, 0. And you are a beginner, you are not sure. You may think that there's still some opportunity, but advanced players, they know they survive 0. So you need to make decision, a better decision. In the beginning, usually we don't start from the edge of the board. We avoid the edge of the board. And we may start from the center area or other areas, but we avoid the edge of the board. Okay? And when you play the game, if this situation happens, is this good for blue? It's a very bad situation for blue. We know that finally you probably survive only 1 area, so probably 1 of them will die. And if you try to save both, probably both of them will be dead. So try to sacrifice 1. Try to play here. Save it. This is a mistake. Accept it. And complete separate is a very bad situation. You should not play a move like this. You have the freedom to play anywhere, but play a move complete separate, that's a very bad situation. Okay, so next, let me help you to make better decisions by simplify the game. Usually we simplify it by separating it into 4 stages. The opening, the middle game, the end game, and then the counting. So this situation, you have to stop, and then you can count. And before this situation, that's the ending situation. An ending situation may look like something like this. Blue controls some space, red controls some space. There's some opening and public space. This is a balanced game, ending situation for both players. And so usually we play at the ending part. We play at the public space or the opening space, like this area. We focus this area. We don't need to worry about this step. It can never survive. And if you ignore this part, it helps you to focus and lower the burden of your brain, help you to make better decisions. So this is the ending situation. And then we can go back to the probably beginning. So beginning may look like this. And this situation, it's like a reasonable beginning. This one, it's a fight between two parties. It's also possible beginning game. How about this one? Is good? No. So what do we need to do at the beginning, at the opening part of the game? We need to find foundation, because in the future you need it. And so a good foundation usually starts in the middle area, not from the edge. It's hard to survive. So avoid the edge, find somewhere in the middle. For the first 5, 6, 7, 8 steps, we don't play on the edge of the board. We play in the middle area, not far away, separate, not far away. So that's the beginning. And in the middle game, you count the number of qi and try to find opportunity. If you find opportunity to capture it, just capture it. And if you find opportunity, if you find risk, then try to deal with the risk. This one is in danger. The qi is only 1. Play here can increase your qi. So that's priority in middle game.